everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new kitchen restaurant hoods. Okay, this is going to be an 11-foot hood, all stainless steel. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this hood out for you. As I mentioned, you have 11 feet in length, top to bottom. You're looking at a total of 26 inches. Okay, on the sides, you're gonna look at a total of 47 inches. 47. Okay, so that's measurements for this 11-foot hood. Now I want to go ahead and show you the inside. On the inside is where we'll locate our certification. Okay, this hood is going to be NSF certified. On the side we have specs, detailed information. Also on the inside here we have label with NSF for this hood. Also on our we have that NSF so that you can locate everything. We'll have that NSF labeled as well. Okay, go ahead and show you the back. We'll go ahead and also measure this opening on the back where all the air obviously gets sucked out through. Length is 30 inches. Just for the inside, you're looking at 28. Top to bottom, 12 inches. Just for the inside, it will be 10 inches. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for the back opening on this hood. This is going to be 11 feet hood. If you're interested in one of these hoods, go on our website, Coolerdepotservice.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. So if you have any questions regarding this size or another size, you can check out the website. All the information will be on there. You can also, if you don't find the information on there, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thanks for watching.